If you don't know how to post someone's post on Instagram story, whether it's a post you are tagged in or something just you think your followers would enjoy, I'll show you how to do it. But before that, can you please subscribe my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now coming back to our topic, first select a post you like. To share it, simply tap the paper airplane icon at the bottom of the post. From here, choose the option to add post to your story. If you can't find it, scroll to the right and then tap on that icon. Now keep in mind a couple of things. If the account is private and you are not following them, or if they have set their post to not be shareable, you won't be able to share it. These are common reasons why you might not see the option available. Once you do have the option, you'll see the post in your story with the user's Instagram handle tagged in. Viewers can tap on it to visit the original post. You can also add stickers, music, location tags and more, just like with any other story. Now this is the process. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.